You observe that comb and paper pieces are not in contact with each other, but the electrostatic force is present. The electrostatic force, therefore, is another example of non-contact force. You can also perform this activity by using a scale instead of comb. Just charge a scale by rubbing the scale in your dry hair. Then bring the scale near the heap of paper and the scale will attract pieces of paper. Next, third type of non-contact force is gravitational force. Gravitational force. Every object in this universe attracts every other object with a certain force. There is a kind of attraction between the two objects in this universe, and the force with which two objects attract each other, and this force is known as force of gravitation, force due to gravity. The force of gravitation acts even when the two objects are not connected by any means. When there is no connection, there is no physical touch, there is no interaction between the two objects, still there will be force of gravitation. Gravitational force exists everywhere in the universe. Have you noticed when you throw a ball upward, that ball will fall down? When we throw an object upward, say a ball, it falls down towards the earth. Since the ball falls down, it is in motion. There must be a force acting on it, and this force is due to the attraction between the earth and the object, say ball. When there is some kind of force of attraction between two objects, this is a force of attraction from earth towards a ball, and this force of attraction is called force of gravity. In other words, objects or things always fall towards the earth because the earth attracts. Attracts means pulls, that will attract towards itself. Pull them. This force of attraction exerted by the earth, this force of attraction applied by the earth on any object is called force of gravity or gravity, or you can say gravitational force. Force applied by the earth on any object, everything will fall down. And for example, when we throw a box or a paper in the air, they both will fall down due to force of gravity. So it's all about three types of non-contact forces. Thank you.